Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I make my course page by using of HTML and let's see how it is. Uh, First of all, uh, this is my HTML course page by using of only HTML, not using of CSS. First of all, I write this name of my course, and after this I write H2. First, I use H1 heading tag, and second, I use H2 heading second. That is the heading second tag. And here's the course of tag development. After I use the line by using of HR tag. Let's see how it is the code of HTML. So let's see. This is the code of HTML course page by using only HTML. So first of all, I start from the boilerplate by using of this doc type HTML language, English, and after I use head tag. In head tag, I write this meta char set UTF-8. I understand this meta char set and UTF in the past video. So let's continue with uh, go ahead. After I um, there is after this is a title, and I forget the enter. Okay, uh, this is the title tag where my tab shows the name of my page, my course. After I use body tag. After closing head tag, I start body tag. In body tag, I use header for my course that I show you in the past. My course, and I also use the color tag by using my style color, that is red, and S2 heading style color gray, whatever. After I use HR tag for line break, and after I write my profiles menu buttons by using of navbar and using of a UL list, that is another list. By this I also use a anchor tag by to link the buttons, link the pages by a href hyperreference, that is index HTML profile and grades feedback context, that is my pages. And after I close UL tag and navbar. After this I use main tab because the whole of things in the page that is written in the main tab. So that's why I use the main tab. We can normally use the paragraph tag or whatever you want, but in professional way we use the main tag because of the we want if I want to rank my website in the Google first. So I normally uses of tags in HTML. So that's why I use the main tag. So in main tag I use the S2 heading for my current course batches, that is uh, HTML fundamentals, CSS basics, JavaScript and introduction. I use this in another list because I don't want to um, see the email courses in the 1 2 3 lines. So I use UL tag. So this is the this is in bullet form. So let's see. And I also color the list text because I want to color the text uh, differently. So I use the color tag, and by using of a style color reference. And after this, I close the UL tag and start the S3 heading, SQL fundamentals. So I use the paragraph tag also in this, and after that I use S3 heading again, and again the paragraph tag to describe about the CSS basics, and also I uh, again I start the S3 headings to this, and after this paragraph tag to define the JavaScript introduction. This is the my course name. After I close the main tag, after at the last I use the footer, that is the normally for websites, because I want my copyrights. I don't want to copy my websites for others, so I use my copyright tab. This is by using a paragraph at the rate copy, and I write this to our purchase 2025 to student portal project. Okay, I after I close the footer and body HTML. So this is my course page by using of HTML. So thank you for watching. And how is my page? You like or not like? If you want to comment out, and you can also comment it for my learnings. And if you want to I learn more about this, so you can also comment it out. So thank you for watching. uh, Thank you.